Yeah.
Ây da.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Cái giường rồi ngay mùi rác rồi đó này. Ngay mùi rác rồi đó. Ngay mùi rác rồi đó này.
It's not broken.
I swear.
Yeah.
You broke his boat. Did you get that on camera?
I don't know. We'll see.
Here, are you still recording?
Yeah.
So you got it on camera. Greg broke his boat.
Xìa.
Oh, he's dancing. See that? He's dancing.
Oh, very nice. Can you hold it? Hello.
Hot.
Very hot here.
We came at noon, everyone, no?
Em chôm rồi.
Say something, say su.
Wow.
Say su.
Xui suối.
Su suối.
Suối.
Ê, xì lấy đi. Ngắt chân.
He knows Thai song.
You know this song?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
I think he's doing his best for a few tips here. Kai Fuish.
Okay, Fuim.
Yeah.
Very hot here though. And I have a fever.
But
1, 2 video.
music,
Okay.
music.
Music, okay, music.
Yeah. The heck, man.
You go or me go?
And me no go, but I'm gonna puke this morning.
Only one.
1.
This one from Arabic coffee.
1.5.
They run everywhere.
It's the real Weasel coffee in Vietnam.
Yes, we got the farm.
This little guy poops this one out, and the poop looks like this.
Here. Normally we feed them with a lot of fruit, not only coffee.
Is it like big one, yeah? Like this?
Like a big cat. We already prepare a lot of banana ready to feed for them
In Vietnam,
in
right?
Vietnam. This is banana.
Oh.
And so this is the
It's
poop.
so cute.
This is the poop. You want to smell it, Taylor?
I see some hair. No. It's the bean you feed them.
Yeah, robusta. And this is robusta here. And the bean for this one we use yellow bourbon. Yellow bourbon to feed for them.
Is it hard to take care of?
For them, yeah, really, really hard.
For red, it's Robusta, and for yellow, it's Arabica.
Yeah, red and robusta and yellow. We got many type of Arabica, also red we have, but we choose the best Arabica for them, yellow bourbon.
It's like 10 times the price of this normal coffee.
It's usually coffee in Vietnam is 150, 200, but the Weasel coffee is
It's like
1.2 million, 1.5 million. finally I'm trying coffee.
This is decaf coconut coffee.
So I'm finally trying the Vietnamese coconut coffee with no caffeine.
And this is apparently my first time trying real Weasel coffee. 200 baht for this cup. Final dinner before heading to the airport. Dinner, lunch. Lunch before heading to the airport. We got some, maybe I won't mention.